Welcome to Westport Auto Center. We got a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Camaro, numbers matching, 350, Hugger orange, just nice car. Second gen Camaros are really coming around. This is a nice one. Nice paint, great body alignment, power brakes, power steering. Just a nice car. We're located in Fenton, Missouri, just outside of St. Louis. All these pictures will be up on our website. Obviously, you'll see this video on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. But nice panels. Underneath is very nice. Looks like the top of the car. We'll pop that trunk, David. Does have the matching spare tire in there. BF Goodrich radials. Great tread on them. Just a nice car. Go to our website at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. And see all the pictures. We'll probably have 60 to 75 pictures. And you'll be able to see some of the other cars we have on there as well. Bottom of the doors are very nice. Jams as well. Interior. Just nicely done. Package tray. Little piece of the dye on the door, but overall, it's a very nice car. Those have the seat belts, or lap belts, I should say. Did notice that the front spoiler had a crack in it right there on the very front. We'll look into that. The paint is pretty darn nice on the car. The lines as well. They're not all blown out like you see on a lot of these cars. Trim is nice as well. Appears to be original, minimal wear. Like a little dink right there. Said all the chrome trim, the bright work is nice on the car. Paint, rear bezels, bumper. Spoiler lines up nice. The package tray is nice. just really not a whole lot that's jumping out. There's a little chip down there. There's a chip on the door, the edge of the door. And we got one more chip. We do have the matching paint for this. Those chips will be touched up. So, just pointing out what we find. The dash is great, glass, etc. We'll take this for a ride. The horn. Radio is not working, but the blinkers, lights, horn, wipers, etc. all are working, but the factory radio is not working. Gas gauge does work as well. Speedometer works as well, showing 93,701 miles on the odometer. Again, you can fly into St. Louis International, also known as Lambert Airport. We're more than happy to pick you up. Just forward your flight itinerary, and we'll bring you to any one of our warehouses to view the vehicle of your choice. No problem. If you have any questions, you can call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. Send us an email. You can message us on YouTube, Facebook, our website. We'll respond to them all. But actually, a great run and driving vehicle. Very tight. BF Goodrich radial TA tires. About 90% tread. Real deep. Great run and driving vehicle. These first generation Camaros are really coming up, and it's hard not like a Hugger Orange Camaro. I do love the interior, the tan light beige interior. See a lot of black, which I do like, but this is nice change. It's something a little different. Great contrast. At www.westportautocenter.com or give us a call 314-346-6039.